Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best New York snow globes is probably one of the most iconic and charming souvenirs you can bring back from the Big Apple, capturing the magic of the city in a miniature, swirling world of glitter and wonder. These delightful collectibles offer a tangible piece of New York's vibrant spirit, from the towering skyscrapers of Manhattan to the Statue of Liberty, each one a tiny diorama of famous landmarks and bustling street scenes, making them a perfect memento for yourself or a thoughtful gift for loved ones who dream of visiting or fondly remember their time in this unforgettable metropolis. Number 5. Neil Enterprises DIY Photo Snow Globe. Introducing a unique way to capture your memories. Create a personalized snow globe with your favorite photos. This charming globe has a 4-inch diameter base and stands about 6.25 inches tall. It's crafted from durable, flexible plastic for safe handling. Easily display 2 of your favorite 2x2.875 photos, one on each side. You can even customize the base with a special 1.5x11 insert. 4 pre-printed inserts are included to get you started. Use them as templates to design your own unique base, making it truly yours. Watch as white snow and iridescent glitter swirl around when you shake it. It creates a beautiful, mesmerizing effect. Personalizing is easy. Simply separate the globe from the base, insert your photos and custom designs, and reassemble. These DIY photo snow globes make the ultimate customized and unique gift for any occasion. Share your memories in a magical way. What we like? This one offers the most creative freedom with a fully customizable base. If you're looking for a truly unique gift that allows for extensive personalization beyond just photos, this is the one. You can design a base that perfectly complements your chosen pictures or theme. What people say. The snow globe is beautifully crafted with intricate details of the New York skyline. The swirling snow effect is mesmerizing and creates a magical ambience. It's a perfect souvenir that captures the essence of New York City. Number 4. Neil Enterprises Sphere 2 Photo Snow Globe. Introducing a unique snow globe designed for your cherished memories. It's crafted from soft, pliable plastic, offering a safe alternative to glass. This globe features a sturdy black base made from thicker, more durable plastic. Its overall size is approximately 3.5 inches by 3.5 inches by 4.25 inches. Easily display 2 photos, one on each side, measuring 2 inches by 2.875 inches after trimming. This allows your 2-inch by 3-inch images to fit perfectly. Inside, white snow and iridescent glitter create a magical floating effect when shaken. The contents gracefully settle when at rest. Personalizing it is simple. Gently wiggle the base to detach it. Insert your photos through the bottom slit and secure them with the provided inserts before reattaching the base. These DIY photo snow globes make a thoughtful gift for loved ones. They are also a wonderful decorative piece for any mantle or tabletop. This is a decorative item, perfect for adding a personal touch to your space. It is recommended for individuals aged 14 and above. What we like? This option features a more robust black base, making it feel sturdier. If you prefer a classic look in a product that feels a bit more substantial for display on a mantle or tabletop, this is a great choice. It's perfect for gifting to friends and family. What people say. The snow globe is beautifully crafted with intricate details of the New York skyline. The glitter swirls around the iconic landmarks, creating a mesmerizing effect. It's a perfect souvenir that captures the essence of the city. Number 3. Neil Enterprises LED Light-Up Photo Snow Globe. Introducing a unique snow globe from Neil Enterprises. It's crafted from durable plastic, not glass, with a sturdy silver base. This decorative piece is designed to hold 2 of your favorite photos, one on each side. Simply trim your 2x3 images to fit perfectly. Inside, you'll find white snow and iridescent glitter that creates a mesmerizing effect when shaken. Watch the magic unfold around your cherished memories. Activate the built-in LED lights with a simple flip of a switch. These lights will illuminate your photos for a minute, and can be reactivated with a gentle shake. Personalizing it is a breeze. Gently detach the silver base, slide in your photos, and reattach the base. Then, give it a shake and enjoy your custom creation. Each snow globe comes in a colorful gift box, making it an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a thoughtful gift for anyone 14 and older. What we like. The standout feature here is the built-in LED light that illuminates your photos. If you want a snow globe that adds a magical glow to your display, especially in the evening, this is the one. It also comes in a full-color gift box, making it ideal for birthdays and holidays. What people say. The snow globe is beautifully crafted with intricate details of the New York skyline. The swirling snow effect is mesmerizing and creates a magical ambience. It's a perfect souvenir that captures the essence of New York City. Number 2. Neil Enterprises Mini Photo Snow Globe. Introducing a charming snow globe designed to beautifully display your cherished memories. It's the perfect way to keep your favorite moments close. This delightful globe is designed to hold 2 vertical photos, one on each side. Easily insert and showcase your most treasured pictures. Personalizing it is a breeze. Use the included template to easily cut your images to the perfect size for a seamless fit. Crafted from clear, pliable plastic, it's a safe alternative to glass. The elegant silver base adds a touch of sophistication. Watch as the enchanting snow and iridescent glitter swirl around when you give it a gentle shake. It creates a mesmerizing, festive display. Customizing your globe is simple. Just remove the cover at the bottom, insert your photos, and secure the cover back in place. This snow dome makes for an unforgettable, personalized gift. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, Mother's Day, and any special occasion. What we like. This miniature version is perfect for smaller spaces or as part of a collection. If you're looking for a cute, compact snow globe that still allows for personalization with vertical photos, this is an excellent option. It's versatile for various gifting occasions. What people say. The snow globe is beautifully crafted with intricate details of the New York skyline. The swirling snow effect is mesmerizing and creates a festive atmosphere. It's a perfect decorative piece that captures the essence of New York City. Number 1. Neil Enterprises Clear Horizontal Photo Snow Globe. Introducing a unique snow globe designed to showcase your cherished memories. It's crafted from durable, pliable plastic, ensuring safety and longevity. This decorative piece features a clear globe atop a sleek black base, measuring approximately 3.75 inches by 2.75 inches by 4 inches. Its elegant design complements any decor. Easily personalize it with your favorite photos, size 2 inches by 3 inches trimmed to fit. Simply slide them into the opening at the bottom for a custom display. Watch as white snow and iridescent glitter swirl around your photos when you give it a shake, creating a magical, captivating effect. Personalizing this item is a breeze. Just gently detach the base, insert your photos, reattach the base, and give it a shake to bring it to life. Each snow globe comes beautifully packaged in a gift box, making it an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Recommended for ages 14 and up. What we like. This globe is specifically designed for horizontal photos, offering a different aesthetic. If you have landscape-oriented pictures you'd like to showcase, this is the ideal choice. Its clean design with a black base makes it a stylish decorative item, and it comes ready for gifting. What people say. The snow globe is a beautiful piece of art, with intricate details that capture the essence of New York City. The swirling snow effect is mesmerizing and creates a magical ambience. It's a perfect souvenir for anyone who loves New York or wants to bring a piece of the city home. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.